For those buyers that are out there, if you call an agent and they said, okay, let me get you pre-approved, I'm going to send you to my lender. That means they only got one lender,
Right.
and that lender may not have the best programs for them.
Right.
So
Yeah.
I try to qualify the buyer and see what programs that are out there that best fit them.
Hello, Pam Guadji, Real Estate TV.
I'm Donnell Spivey, broker owner of Exit Spivey Professional Realty, here to talk today about working with buyers. You know, there are tons of buyers out there, and we
Right.
just gotta put the deal together.
If I were to call you, let's say I'm a first-time home buyer and I'm actually looking to buy, I'm calling you right now, what would your advice be to me?
So one of the first things that I do is sort of interview them on the phone.
Yeah.
And to see if there's any first-time home buyer programs that they qualify for.
Okay.
And by a simple few questions, I could get and determine what programs best fit them. Of course, the lender's going to do their due diligence,
Yeah.
but I'm going to sort of prep them prior to sending them to a lender. For those buyers that are out there, if you call an agent and they said, okay, let me get you pre-approved, I'm going to send you to my lender. That means they only got one lender,
Right.
and that lender may not have the best programs for them.
Right.
So
Yeah.
I try to qualify the buyer and see what programs that are out there that best fit them. For example, if your income is under $92,000,
Mhm.
then you may qualify for some first-time home buyer programs, like a conventional
Yeah.
with 3% down and no mortgage insurance.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
that's excellent.
And so I have lenders that I work with that I would send that particular buyer to. If you're a veteran, then there are lenders that specialize in VA financing.
Yes.
And just use VA for example. I had a buyer that brought a brand new house. He came to the table with $400. The house was $400 and some dollars, $400,000. He came to the table with $400.
Yeah.
Plus, he included paying off his existing car payment.
That's incredible. Well, see, one of the great things too is that you're so educated with these programs, right? You have to be educated with these programs knowing that there's so much available out there for your first-time home buyer.
Well, that education came from the National Association of Real Estate Brokers. It's an organization that I belong to. You've heard of CRA, is Community Reinvestment Act.
Yeah.
So lenders that loan money and have checking and savings account,
Yeah.
they have to create programs. The federal government required them to create these programs, but they don't market those programs
Right.
because they
Wow.
make less money on those
Telling
programs.
everybody.
So they don't tell anybody. The federal government just says you gotta have them.
Yeah.
So they have them, but they don't market them.
Interesting. Wow.
So I market them
Yeah.
to the buyers so that they can take advantage of them. There are a lot of times there's conventional financing. Nothing against FHA. If
Mhm.
that's all you can qualify for, then you take FHA.
Right.
But so many other buyers qualify for conventional financing
Yeah.
with only 3% down and no mortgage insurance.
That's incredible. Now, what about credit scores and things like that with this?
Yes. So with first-time home buyer programs, your minimum credit score is
Mhm.
going to be 620.
Okay.
The higher the credit score, the more programs you're going to qualify for.
Okay.
So that's why I want to have that interview with them. I ask them what their income is, how long they've been on their job,
Right.
do you know your credit score, and how many people is in your household.
Right.
So
Right.
there's a program called a Federal Home Loan Bank that gives them a grant.
Yeah.
It was $7,500. Now I think they raised it to $10,000. But it's based on the number of people in the household and income. So if your income is $56,000
Yeah.
or less, then you qualify for that $10,000.
Wow.
But if your income is over $56,000 and you got kids in the household, another spouse in the
Yeah.
household, whatever, then it goes up. One of the things that we run into is that first-time home buyers have been pushed out of the market in so many areas because they needed down payment assistance. And with the market being so hot, the seller is not giving
Right.
down payment assistance.
Yeah.
These programs, there are tons of first-time
Oh my
home buyer
goodness,
programs that are out there, and most buyers don't know about it.
Wow. That's
And-
incredible.
And they even go to some of the counseling agency, and the counseling agency only talk about the ones that they know about. I try to
Wow.
get the rest of all.
Wow. See, that's so incredible, you guys. So not only, You got a great agent here. Basically, he knows about these loans. He also knows, in our other video, check out why buy the ugly house, so you don't get beat out as a first-time home buyer, trying to compete with all those other people out there that's competing for that beautiful house. So check out the other video on why buy an ugly house. But yeah, this has been great.
If you're a home buyer, don't make a move without calling Donnell.
Right.
Yeah,
Tell them how to get in touch with you.
CallDonnell.com is a simple way to get on my email address. CallDonnell.com, and I'll get the email, and then we'll start working together.
There we go. Thank you so much for being with us. And we will see you guys in the next episode. Stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you soon.